So, hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation, you have a kitchen, it can look something like this, and you want to change it, you want to redesign it, make it more modern, or so on. All you have to do, you just have to upload the photo of the kitchen. So let's go to upload, let's pick the kitchen, let's press open, and right now we are in the workspace page. All we have to do right now, we have to pick a room type. So for example, this is a kitchen, so let's pick a kitchen. Let's go with the style, so we have to pick a style. Let's go with this modern one, and also with the colors. So let's go with this neutral palette, and let's go for the budget around, I don't know, 13,000. And also, let's say we want three different alternatives of the design. So let's go here and select the three, so batch upload, and design the room. So right now, in about 20 seconds, we will see the whole kitchen redesigned in modern style and in those palette colors that we actually chose. If we have some kind of a material that we want to change, we can do it really easily. We have some texture, we want to change the floor or anything, we can do it. So let's go with the different types that it gave us. This is the first one, you see, kind of modern one. This is the second one without the table here. And this is the third one with the wooden table. So let's say we like the most this one. And right now, let's say we want different type of material for example, the wooden parts. So for this, let's say for this kind of a box here. So let's find the wooden texture that we would like to have there. Let's go with something which is a bit more different than right now in the picture. And let's just take a screenshot out of this palette. And let's put it right here. And let's say, I want to change this area. And let's select the area that we want to change. So let's redesign this kind of a box. Let's change it, this area, to this texture. And let's try two options on how it could look. And in a couple of seconds, we will see the redesigned box right there. This is super easy. Just upload the texture, say what you want to do, and it will done the job for you. You don't have to do it in SketchUp, you don't have to render it and waste lots of hours doing it. So right now you can see it changed the texture of the color. So let's say we want some different kind of mood board. So let's find the mood boards that we might like. So let's go maybe with something which is different than we have mood board, interior, green. So if you have some mood board palette that you prefer, and let's say we want this type of a style of the kitchen, and let's say I want to redesign this kitchen in this kind of mood board. And let's pick three different generations. So we'll see again three different variants of the kitchen in this kind of a green mood board. And again, we will wait another 20 seconds and we will see the results right away. Right here we can see it. So these are the green variants that it gave us based on the mood board that we've given. So it took the colors, it took maybe the materials, and it changed that. Yeah, three different variants. So if we have also some referring pictures, some kitchen that we like, we can just upload it there and it will give us our kitchen in that style of the kitchen that we uploaded. And this is pretty easy and straightforward. If we, for example, are interested in kind of a furniture that it gave us, for example, in this kind of in this style, we had this kind of lamps. We can see them right here, and we can actually find the retailers who offer this kind of lamps in this style. So as you can see, here are the different styles. You can also compare the prices. This is the more expensive one, less expensive one. And if it's within your budget, you can actually buy the less expensive one and it looks basically the same as you can see on these two. I'll just zoom it. So you can also use MeltFlex like this. I will be happy if you try it out. It's on MeltflexAI.com. It's a platform right here, as I'm pinging right now. And yeah, one free generation is for free, as I said, and you can try it. And if you like it, then you can actually subscribe. Ciao.